Yeah, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's Mike, back with another episode of Mike's Trading Journey. And on this episode, I'm going to be talking about how to trade stocks for free. And basically, in this episode, I'm going to be just going over a few different sites that I personally use myself, which is Robinhood as a brokerage as far as trading stocks and placing trades. Also use stock trades as another option for a brokerage firm to place trades. And then Finviz as a scanner tool for finding stocks. And TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform for analyzing charts. So I'm going to go over to Robinhood. This is Robinhood's website. And basically, you just get on this website. It's free to sign up. It's free to use and access as far as trading stocks. And I also think now they offer trading options as well. I just use it for trading stocks as far as day trading. So you guys can go and check this site out. And if you haven't already signed up for it, you can sign up for it, man, and start placing like small trades, especially if you're like a beginner. You can start making like small trades, man. And it's like different types of different types of options as far as the type of orders you would use as far as making trades. So if you work and everything and have a full-time job, you can set up trades like prior to either the market opening or prior to trading or the trading day beginning. You can set up orders so that your orders will go through automatically, without you having to actually go in and place a trade right at that specific time or whatever, when you see the stock moving in that direction that you would like, as far as making money off the stock. Okay, UStockTrade is another one. It's another brokerage firm as far as being able to trade with, and it's very inexpensive. I think it's like $1 to place a trade and $1 to exit a trade. So overall, it's like $2 to trade with this, as far as making a trade and exiting the trade. And I think you can also trade multiple stocks at a time. With Robinhood, I think you can actually, no, you can trade multiple stocks at a time with Robinhood, as long as you like have the money in your account. You can trade multiple stocks, but you are under the PDT rule. I think when you stock trade, you don't have the PDT rule because I think it's offshore, but I could be wrong. You just have to look into it more yourself. But I think your funds are instantly available after you exit the trade. I really don't use this. I usually don't use these guys. I used to use them a while back, but I don't really use these guys anymore. But it's a good resource, man, as far as getting in and making trades and exiting trades. Okay, gonna get into Finviz, and with Finviz, they have news. So like you can see where different stocks have news reports. And if you're like really a fundamental type trader, you would like the news aspect of this website, because like usually like news is like one of the indicators of how these things move, man. So when like they have some kind of PR or some kind of earnings, like it'll usually pop up in the news on like sites like Finviz, and you can basically make trades off the news. What I use mostly is the scanner, and so like you have all the different criterias on here as far as your what you want to scan for. And so I usually hit in the tabs up here. in the middle top part of the screen. I usually hit all, and that way I get all of the options as far as the different things I look for when scanning for stocks. I usually go for because I'm looking for stocks like under $5, so I hit that. Then it automatically like updates itself here on the bottom. And then I usually, look for volume like over 500,000, or at times I look for volume over 1 million. And then, as you can see, it updates itself again. And then at times I go in and even look for certain patterns, like let's say if I wanted to get a pattern that had some type of upward momentum, I would hit the wedge up, and then it would give me the option to have stocks that are trending up right now. And so you can actually go down, and as you hover over them with your mouse, you can see like the little box pops up with the chart here, and then you can actually click the ticker itself, and it'll pop up here on the screen. The chart will pop up here on the screen. I don't know what's taking so long right now, but let's see. I don't know what's going on. But the chart didn't pop up. Let's see. Try it again. So yeah, there's the chart, and as you can see, this thing is right now it looks like it's in a slight downtrend, but the overall trend is up pretty good. So you get that accessibility as far as being able to see the charts and like scan for charts with a certain volume and that are moving in a certain direction as far as the patterns are concerned, and also the price. And then they have all of this other information down here at the bottom that you can use as a research tool as well. And then the last one that I use is TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. And with this one, you really have like a lot of access to charts and stuff, like really good in-depth charts, man. I love this website here, and they also have a mobile app that you can access as well, as far as with your charting. And I use both of them. I use the website as far as on my laptop, the Thinkorswim website as far as on my laptop, and also on my mobile devices as well. And so you can get access to both of these things, man. And they are very, very, very powerful tools to use when you get into trading and stuff. Just because it like helps you like overall as far as like knowing what's going on with certain stocks. So it's really cool, man. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one, man. Again, this is Mike with Mike's Trading Journey, and look to see you guys on the next one, man. God bless. Bye bye.
Yeah. Yeah. The temptation. The temptation is to blow trees and get faded. Write raps, chase a record deal and get famous.